Hello students, how are you all? I hope you all are in good health. I Nilpa Methiwala from St. Thomas School, Surat, welcome you all for the virtual class. Subject English Grammar Standard First. Before start our lesson, students, I would like to wish you a belated happy Diwali. Hope your Diwali was wonderful and the coming year is filled with prosperity, peace and happiness for you. Today, let's start our lesson number 16, A and AN. Here are the letters of the alphabet. Some of the letters have been printed in color. Can you see that, students? A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z. What we call this? Yes, we call this English alphabet. Can you see there is a blue color in between this alphabet? Yes, A, E, I, O, U. So can you tell me what we call this alphabet? Yes, we call them vowels. E, E, I, O, U are called vowels. Students, write the letters printed in color here. Students, हमने पहले देखे ना वो अल्फाबेट्स देखे 26 अल्फाबेट उसमें 5 कलर्स अल्फाबेट कलर्स में थे वो 5 लेटर्स हमको यहाँ पे लिखना है ओके सो फर्स्ट इज ए ई आई ओ यू ओके so these 5 letters are called vowels. Look at the words given below. Students, here are given some words. So let's read it first. First, E-Y-E-I, B-O-A-T, boat, O-R-A-N-G-E, orange, A-P-P-L-E, apple, H-O-R-S-E, horse, I-C-E, ice, M-A-N-G-O, mango, O-N-I-O-N, onion, F-L-O-W-E-R, flower, U-M-B-R-E-L-L-A, umbrella, T-R-E-E, tree, and the last is B-A-G, bag. Write the words beginning with the vowels like A, E, I, O, U in the box mark 1 and write the words that do not begin with vowels in the box mark 2. हमें इस words को separate करना है. जो vowels word से start होते हैं उनको mark 1 में डालना है और जो vowel से start नहीं होता उसे हमें 2 में डालना था. Okay, so let's start. Can you see that? Yes, here is the mark 1 and mark 2. तो आप देख रहे हो जो भी words हमारे vowel से start होते हैं E, Y, E, I, O, R, A, N, G, orange, A, P, L, E, apple, I, C, E, ice, O, N, I, O, N, onion, U, M, B, R, E, L, umbrella. ये सारे जो first letter है वो क्या है vowels है इसलिए इसको हमने यहाँ पे लिखा है और 2 में B-O-A-T boat, H-O-R-S-E horse, M-A-N-G-O mango, F-L-O-W-E-R flower, T-R-E-E tree and B-A-G bag. ये सारे letters first letter vowels नहीं है इसलिए हमने इसको कहाँ पे लिखा है 2 number में okay. Now let's see our next exercise. Complete the naming words below the picture by filling in the blank with the missing vowels. Okay, so let's see the first picture. Can you see that first picture? What is this? Yes, B-A-T. Sorry, B-T. So students, can you tell me which vowel come over here? Yes, it's a A. B-A-T, bat. Now second, can you tell me what is this? Yes, it's a meow. Now, so C dash T. So here is also come A. C-A-T, cat. A is also vowel. Now third, can you tell me what is this? Yes, it's a bow bow. Yes, it is a D dash G. So here also we are going to write A. No, here we write O because the spelling of dog is D-O-G, dog. Now next, can you tell me what is this? Yes, it is a hat. H-T. So which vowel we are using here? We use here A. H-A-T, hat. Yes, what is this? It is ice cream. Oops, no, it is a ball. B-L-L, ball. So which vowel we are going to use here? Here we use E. Oops, no, wrong. We are use here A. B-A-L-L, ball. Now let's see the next picture. Yes, what is this? This is a C dash R. So here we use the vowel of A, C-A-R, car. Next is P dash N. So which vowel we use here? I, P-I-N, pin. Can you see that? Yes, it is a chair. No, it is a bad. So B dash D. So here we use vowel E, B-E-D, bad. Next is pillow. Yes, it is a pillow. P dash L L dash O. So here we are going to use two vowels. So the first is I and the second is O. P-I-L-L-O-W, pillow. And the next is pencil. P-N-C-L. So P-E-N-C-I-L. E and I is the vowel. So P-E-N-C-I-L, pencil. Yes, what is this? It is a chair. C-H-R. Here is also we are using two vowels. The first vowel is A and the second is I. C-H-A-I-R, chair. Next is, yes, it is a shoes. S-H-. So the first vowel is O and the second is E. S-H-O-E, shoe. And the next is basket. B-S-K-T. So the first is A and the second vowel is E. B-A-S-K-E-T. Basket. And the last one is giraffe. G-R-F-F. Here we are using three vowels. First is I, second is A, and the last is E. G-I-R-A-F-F-E, giraffe. Students, now let's learn the use of A and AN. Okay? So listen to me carefully. We use A and AN. We use A and AN when we talk about one thing. And second, AN before naming words that begin with a vowel sound, and use A before naming words that begin with a consonant sound. ओके हम an कब यूज करते हैं? जब भी कोई भी वर्ड वॉवल साउंड से होता है तब उसके वर्ड के पहले हम क्या यूज करेंगे? an. और a कब यूज करेंगे? जब वो वर्ड कॉन्सोनेंट साउंड से होता है. ओके, सो लेट्स सी सम एग्जांपल्स. Now look at this word so you can understand. Can you see that first? So let's read these words. The first is P-E-N, pen. B-O-Y, boy. E-double-G, egg, C-A-T, cat, and O-W-L, owl. These words are called naming word. So, now let's see कि ये naming word के पहले अब A और AN कैसे use करना है. So, can you see that first picture? First word, P-E-N, pen. So, this first word is consonant now. So, that's why we are using here a pen. Now, let's see the second, B-O-Y, boy. So here the B is a consonant sound. That's why we use here A. Now third, E-double-G, egg. So here is the E is a vowel sound. That's why we are use here A and N. And next, C-A-T, cat. C is the consonant sound. That's why we use here A. And the last, O-W-L, owl. Here the O is a vowel sound. That's why we use here N. We use N before a words which begin with the vowels. Here are some more examples. So let's see. Okay. Can you see that hat? Yes. This is the hat. So H-A-T, hat. So H is a consonant sound. That's why we use over here A. Now second, can you see that table? The spelling of table is T-A-B-L-E, table. Here T is a consonant sound. That's why we wrote here A. Now third, can you see that girl? Yes, she is her friend. So the spelling of friend is F-R-I-E-N-D, friend. Here the first letter is consonant sound. That's why we use here A. Students, here we are using A because we talk about here one thing. Now, here are some more examples. Let's see. Can you see? What is this? Yes, it is a ant. A-N-T, ant. Here is the first alphabet is a and it is a vowel sound. That's why what we use here? A and N. Now second, can you see that picture? Can you see that yellow stick, that yellow color and that black? What we call that? Or. What we call that? Or. So here is the first word is O. It is a vowel sound. That's why we use this A and N. Students, do you know that what is or? No, na? This is called or. Can you see that? Yes, it's called or. Now next. What is this? Yum. It is a ice cream. The spelling of ice cream is I-C-E-C-R-E-A-M, ice cream. Here the first word is a vowel sound. That's why we use here A and N. We say alright, an N because it is being with a A. An egg because it's begin with E. An ice cream because it begins with I. An onion because it is begin with O. An umbrella because it is begin with U. Now let's do some exercise related A or AN. Fill in each blank with A or AN. Can you see? The first one is dash dog. So here the D is D-O-G, dog. So D is the consonant sound. So that's why we use here A. Now second, A-double-P-L-E, apple. So A is a vowel sound. So what we are going to use here? A or AN? Yes, we use here A and N, apple. Third, dash ball. So the B is a consonant sound. So that's why we use here A. Fourth, dash orange. O-R-A-N-G-E, orange. So the orange O is a vowel sound. So here we are using A and N. Now fifth, dash ear. E-R, ear. So which word we are going to use here? A or AN? We use here A-N. Now 6, dash God. Here we use A. 7 number, dash onion. So the O is a vowel sound. So we use here A and N. And the last is 8 number, dash calf. C-A-L-F, calf. So here we use A. 9 number, dash cow. So a cow. 10, dash elbow. So E is the vowel sound. So A and N. 11, dash if. E is a consonant sound, na? No, it's a vowel sound. So we use here A and N. 12, dash banana. So here we use a banana. 13, dash cake. C-A-K-E, cake. C is a vowel sound. That's why we use here A and N, na? No, wrong. C is a consonant sound. So we use here A. 14, dash egg. So A and egg. An egg. 15, dash umbrella. So an umbrella. 16, dash bell. B-E-L-L, bell. So a bell. 17, dash olive. O is a vowel sound. So here we use A and N. And the 18 number, dash aunt. So A is also vowel sound. So we use here A and N. 19 number, dash uncle. U-N-C-L-E, uncle. So here we use A and N. 20 number, dash sister. S-I-S-T-E-R, sister. So S is a consonant sound. So we use here A. And the last, dash boat. B-O-A-T, boat. So here we use a boat. Now let's do fill in the blanks with A or AN. First, Harry has dash owl called Hedwig. So before this blank, here is the naming word. Owl is a naming word. So before the naming word, we have to use here A or AN. So can you see the O is a vowel sound now? So that's why we use which word, A or AN? Yes, we use here N. Henry has an owl called Hedwig. Understand, students? Now let's see second number. Mother put dash sandwiches and dash apple in my lunch box. Students, sandwich and the apple is a naming word. So here is given a blank. So S, can you see? S is a consonant sound. So which word we are use here? A or AN? Here is the S now. So we use here A. And here is apple. A-P-P-L-E, apple. So here is also given blank. So A is a vowel sound. So which word we use here? Un. A-N, un. Mother put a sandwich and an apple in my lunch box. I hope you understand. Now let's see the third number. Rana feeds dash stray dog and dash cat every morning. So here can you see S? Here is given S. So which word we are use here? A. And here is also cat. So C is consonant sound. So here is also we use A. The Rana feeds a stray dog and a cat every morning. Fourth, when Hema was in Africa, she saw dash elephant and dash zebra. So elephant and the zebra is the naming word and here E is a vowel sound. So we use here A and N and the zebra is a consonant sound. Zebra ka Z is a consonant sound. So that's why we use here A. When Hema was in Africa, she saw an elephant and a zebra. Next, it was raining, so Niti carried dash umbrella to school. Here is the umbrella is the naming word and the blank is given over here. So U is the vowel sound. So we wrote here A-N-N. It was raining. So Niti carried an umbrella to school. 6. Zoya has dash orange raincoat and Ricky has dash grey one. So here is also we have to use A or AN. So the first orange raincoat. So O is the vowel sound. So that's why we use here un. And the Ricky has dash grey one. So G is a consonant. So we use a. Zoya has an orange raincoat and the Ricky has a grey one. 7. The monkey sat on dash tree at dash banana. So in this 7, A, here is also we are using A because the tree and the banana, the T is the consonant sound and the B is also consonant sound. So the monkey sat on a tree and ate a banana. Okay. 8 number. Laila had dash oatmeal cookies and dash cake. So here O is the vowel sound. So we use here A and N. And the C is a consonant sound. So we use here A. Laila had an oatmeal cookie and a cake. Tom likes dash egg and milk for breakfast. So E is a vowel sound. So we use here N. The Tom likes an egg and milk for breakfast. Now 10. Dash emu is a very large bird. Student, emu is a bird name. It is a bird. So E is a vowel. So we write, what we write here? A and N. But students, हमने आगे के चैप्टर में पढ़ा था जब भी फर्स्ट जहां से हमारा सेंटेंस स्टार्ट होता है सो द फर्स्ट लेटर शुड बी कैपिटल. दैट्स व्हाई मैंने यहाँ पे ए कैपिटल में लिखा है. बाकी सब ने आपने देखा ही होगा टीचर ने सब स्मॉल लिखा है. क्यों? तो वो मिड में है. लेकिन यहाँ पे ये सेंटेंस स्टार्ट हो रहा है. An emu is a very large bird. So here teacher is write A in capital लेकर. Okay. Students, stay home, stay safe. Thank you.